This is Ismail Ziraba. He says an accident at the factory where he used to work led to his finger being amputated. He says despite having sustained these injuries during the normal course of his job, his employers never contributed to his medical bills. He's now living with the deformity on his hand, which he got in the line of duty, but is yet to get the compensation to which he's entitled from his former employers. Ziraba is not alone. Each year many Ugandans sustain injuries at work, but many do not know that there is a law that entitles them to treatment or compensation from their employers in the event of such injuries. Today, the Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Janat Mukwaya, inaugurated a new Medical Arbitration Board whose mandate is to determine the nature of compensation a worker is entitled to after sustaining injuries in the course of their work. While handing over to the new board, the outgoing board chairperson, Dr. Naddumba, said the board is comprised of only 3 members who are overwhelmed by the number of cases that they handle.
On each day, we would handle about 8 cases. Each day, we would handle about 8 cases. And most of them were genuine cases.
We also observed that one of the reasons why there's a backlog is that there's premature referral of cases to the Medical Arbitration Board. Because the law says that compensation can only come when time has come for permanent incapacitation.
He called for an increase in the number of board members by amending the Workers' Compensation Act, under which the board is established.
It needs to be expanded. They need to add on more specialists on the team. For example, having a physician, having an occupational specialist, having a neurosurgeon, having a plastic surgeon, because these are some of the cases.
There were also complaints that the current act only caters for surface injuries, whereas many times workers suffer internal injuries that are at times more severe. The board members complained that on many occasions, insurance companies did everything they could in order not to pay compensation to victims. Minister Janat Mukwaya gave assurances that the safety of employees is the priority for the ministry.
We are focused on occupational safety because we cannot industrialize if we cannot monitor what is going on in the industries.
Meanwhile, Minister Janat Mukwaya has said the Labour Ministry is working on a policy to protect the rights of domestic servants.
We are working on a policy to address the welfare of the housemaids. How do you recruit them? Do you give them a contract?
Juma Kiria, NTV.